This set of videos is created in order to support you to navigate through the full scientific evaluation of the core values finder. And we have two aims with the core values finder. The first one is support you in getting clarity about what truly matters to you. So carving out your intrinsic core of motivation, your intrinsic core values. To then, in the second step, help you align your goals and also your behavior, so your actual actions, with those intrinsic core values. And as we produce those videos in order to enable you to get more out of these insights that we generate with the core values finder, we also want to mention that to get even more out of that, we highly recommend you to work together with some of the certified coaches that we have certified with very high quality standards to make effective debriefs, and that you will find on our website. Let's jump into the evaluation, and you will see that we have for each of the sections this button here where you can watch a video to understand in more depth the structure and also the content of the section to get most insights out of that. But now we just want to give you a first glimpse into those sections. And if you look at the overview, you will see that the report is structured from values to actions. So from what truly motivates you internally to what you're actually doing. And there can be a big gap. But in the first step, we want to create clarity about what are your current values. And there we use the most valid continuum that is out there to measure human values, which we developed in collaboration with our research partner, Professor Shalom Schwartz, that has ended in the most valid model to measure human values that is there worldwide. And you will see there your personal values, tendencies, and get a good picture of those. And then in the second part, this is an in-depth explanation of the top 3 values that you have. So the 3 most important values in that continuum. And also provides you action steps, how to push some of those values more, and how to also reflect on some of those more if they are really truly reflecting what you want. Because what you will also learn is that the research that we have done enables us to show which of those values are more stemming from your intrinsic needs of growth, of being connected to something bigger than yourself, which are universal human needs, or to more external factors like extrinsic motivators like punishment, or incentives that are from the outside, or introjected feelings like fear or shame, which you then call the more extrinsic values. And we give you also an in-depth insights and action steps to all of your values, not only to your top 3. But the top 3 are most prominent in section 2, and in section 3 you have more insights for all of your values. And then in section 4, which is a very crucial section, you will find your current goals and see the alignment of those goals with your intrinsic values. And this should help you to reflect what of those goals do you truly want to own, which of those should you adapt to then bring your behavior in stronger concordance and alignment with your internal motivators, so your intrinsic core values. And what we recommend is that you go through this evaluation step by step. So you will move through the next section, read through it, and then there is the next explanation video that help you navigate through that part.